Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the new APR, the lower 1.99 that Tesla's offering for the Model Y. And you know, the 0% for the Model 3, it has been a while already, so let's take a look. So right now, if you were to order a Model Y with the 1.99%, let's see how much it is. I think this is a good deal for some of us that are on the on the verge. You know, now 1.99 is pretty good, and this financing rate is actually through Tesla, and it's called promotional rates because even if you have a high credit, you don't get this kind of rates. The average rates right now is about maybe 7 to 8%, and even if you get it through a credit union, you're looking at about like 4 to 6%. So still 1.99, you can't beat that. But this is a Model 3, so let's take a look at the Model Y. Let's say if you would order now, and let's go. We're gonna break down to the points and everything here. So as you can see right here, 1.99% APR and $0 due at signing, available for well-qualified buyers, right? So as you can see right here, it actually has, this is for 72 months, and it's like almost $4,000 down, and this is promotional rates, 1.99%. So if not, then if you fall into any of these categories here, then that's how Tesla determines 720 and above is excellent, 680 to 720, very good, and then good, 640 to 679, and anything below 640 is just fair. But what right now Tesla offering is, it's exceptional. It's crazy. And this vehicle right here, it actually qualifies for the 7,500 tax credit as well too. So usually you want to put it in there, include the taxes and fees, right? So we know exactly at least close to how much we're actually paying. So as you can see right here, with $4,000 down for 72 months at 2.99%. Excuse me. That brings you the down payment, and your monthly payment will be $688. Still, that's pretty low, right? And let's see if we were to do a $0 down, and I thought we would do $0 down, right? And then we can do this one. Somehow you need to have that one. Okay. And that would come out to be $749. So they pretty much take the 7,500 tax credit as your down payment, and how much you're paying, about $750 a month, right, for these vehicles here. And as I was doing this, right now, if you can even check out the inventory too. So sometimes they might give out some inventory discount, but let's see if they are or they're not, and let's see what's in the inventory. Okay, so you see here they got 4 in the inventory, so I'm pretty sure Tesla has a lot more, because if you watch my live videos I did about maybe last week with my son, when I was passing through Covina, there was like a old Ford dealership. They had at least over 100 vehicles. We're talking about 11 or 12 Cybertrucks, Model Y, the new ones, even Model 3, even they have the performance model as well too. So right now Tesla doesn't release in the inventory as much, but I'm pretty sure they do, because I know they do. They have it, but they release one and one, little by little, just so that it shows like there's a strong demand. But in reality, I don't think they have that strong demand for the Model Y. That's why they even go lower, offer like the nice 2.99% for APR. As you can see right here, they still even have the launch series here, right? So if you're asking me whether you want to should you get the launch series, I think if the launch series actually has come out to be a better pricing, you save by about maybe $4,000 to $5,000 on it. So if you were to add it separately, so yeah, it says here you can get this right here, the launch series, right? They have it ready for you to pick it up. This is a brand new one. So if you guys don't know what the launch series include, it actually, all these pricings right here included, but it has like a tow hitch, acceleration boost, and also the That alone is $2,000, and also the full self-driving, that's $8,000 on top. So if we can go see towards order now, and it actually give you more exactly. This one is available on Hollywood. All right, the error code is 91605. So you click here and you click on show pricing details. So check this out. So this is the price, $59,990, and it included the white paint, the 19-inch, the all black premium interior, the tow hitch. That's usually $1,000. Acceleration boost $3,000, and like I said, everything added, all the destination fees and everything, $61,630 minus the $7,500 tax credit, bringing down the price to $54,130, and your monthly payment looking at about $873. So if you were looking for a launch series, I think this, you don't need to wait. You can just buy it. You probably can pick it up like the next day if you don't live that far, because they have everything's there. Really nice, guys. And I test drove the Model Y overnight, and the build quality, it's a lot better than the previous models designs. So it's a huge upgrade. If you haven't seen that video, you might want to check out that video. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. But don't forget, you can also stack it up by using my referral code. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Be safe. See you next time.